guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today is another Misfits haul video. So, interested in seeing what I got in my package this week. I did get some extra stuff again this week as well. Then stick around and stay tuned. Alright guys, let's see what's in the box. It's a day after I received it. I had a very bad sinus headache yesterday, so I did not open it. Okay, it's cool in the house. It's not hot in here, so still cold. Okay, I did order some extra things, some mushrooms. I ordered some extra strawberries, and these are oyster mushrooms. I like to make these like chicken strips. Maybe I'll show you guys. I say that every week, but it's tax season. I don't have time to make videos, to be very honest. Got some organic strawberries. They look like they need to be put in the refrigerator pronto. They dark though, so hopefully they're sweet. I bought some from the grocery store and they were not sweet. They sucked. Let's see what's in here. I see I got a beat up apple. I ordered some plums. They're small, but they're dark, so hopefully they're delicious. Some more plums. I guess I ordered 2 sets of them. Not sure, but I'm assuming so. Got some tangerines. They're so small, but they be good. I haven't got any bad ones. I ordered some onions. Let's see what is in here. Beefsteak. Oh, I ordered a beefsteak tomato. These don't look like beefsteak. These look like regular old tomatoes. Say beefsteak, but maybe they are. I suspected they would be bigger than this. You know those oblong shaped ones that's kind of oval instead of round. But hell, these may be it too. I don't know. Not what they look like when I selected them. Got some collard greens per usual because they had them. And these look pretty good. I would have cooked them today if I, well no I wouldn't have, because I've been doing taxes all day long. So I just came down here and said let me make this video while it's still light outside. So I got some collard greens. I ordered some broccoli, because I love broccoli and spinach and collard greens, cabbage. I love vegetables. I ordered these, I think they're poblano peppers. Not sure, but I'm going to stuff them with something. So if I have time, if I get all my taxes done, I have time to make a video this week outside of this one, I will, so that I can start making some cooking videos. But I just don't have time with tax season and my Etsy shop. I don't have time. And my real job. So, which I have been working a lot on my real job. Got 2 navel oranges. I got some lemons. And I like to get organic lemons because I like to use the skin off of them. So, and for citrus. I got 2 apples. And one has been hit up against something. Maybe it was at the top, so I don't know. Probably one of those cardboard things. Probably got it. I don't know, but I just cut that little piece off and eat it. And I like apples with peanut butter, so that's probably what I eat. I got 2 things of cabbage. I thought I only ordered 1, but maybe because this one is so little, they sent me a red one and a green one. Doesn't matter, I love cabbage, so I'm okay with having both of those, even if it's replacement for something. because I don't never remember what I ordered. And then I have this little teeny little spaghetti squash, but it's enough for just me to eat it. And I eat it by itself as a side, but I have sometimes I make it like spaghetti too. So anyway, this is everything that I got. Again, I don't know what I ordered ordered extra as opposed to what came in my box. And I put on the screen. That way you guys can see it per usual what I ordered. I know I ordered the strawberries extra and the mushrooms, but besides that, I don't know what all I ordered extra. Let's see if they put anything in the box. Look, I haven't been giving recipes anymore. Guess they don't like me giving them out. I don't know why I haven't been getting them. Maybe I don't have any. But recap, I got strawberries, oyster mushroom, collard greens, poblano, I can't remember. Peppers, some crowns of broccoli, 2 beefsteak tomatoes, a green cabbage, a purple cabbage, red cabbage. I call it purple because it's purple and it's not red. Spaghetti squash, 1 onion, 2 apples, 6 plums, 4 tangerines, 3 lemons, and 2 navel oranges. And that is everything that I got this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I leave my code on the screen that you guys can use for you get 25% off and I get 25% off my next order. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.